there, it's Jen with Sentimental Wood Art. This week's gonna be another Halloween video, me getting my goofy geeky Halloween self on. Now if you haven't seen the series, check the link below to check out other videos with my Halloween stuff. There's quite a few and they're lots of fun. Also, you can subscribe to my channel below as well. Thanks for watching. I've been seeing these Halloween decorations online where you take old fence pickets, which as you can see I have plenty of, and paint them white and then wrap them in cheesecloth and put googly eyes on them for a mummy. So I'm going to give this a whirl. As I was getting ready to paint these, I realized that I wanted this to be a family unit for my mummies. So I was like, oh, I gotta go get to the chop saw and make a mom a little shorter than the kid and the dad. The dad's a little tall. I may need to chop saw him as well. But now it's time to paint. When I was thinking about doing this video, I have a shirt that says, "This chick loves Halloween," which I do. Anyone who knows me I love Halloween, but I'm painting and there's no way I'm getting my Halloween shirt all mucky mucked. So I don't know if you can see, this says catastrophe team. Well, let's hope it's not a catastrophe. All right, I got these painted. If you could see from the previous clip, I'm a little bit of a messy painter. There's something about painting that brings out the little kid in me. I was thinking of the Karate Kid, paint fence. Also Tom Sawyer came to mind. But I'm going to be wrapping these in cheesecloth, so they didn't need to have the best paint job. It was more for, so the brown doesn't show through, and for fun. So the next step in my zombie family is to mummify them. Oh, I just said zombie. Zombie mummies. So yes, so we're mummifying my fence posts. But when you see the cheesecloth that you get, it comes in a huge piece and you need to have strips. So I'm going to spend a few minutes cutting this guy out into 4-inch by however long that is, a couple feet, a lot of feet, strips. I tried to fold it up so I could get several in one go. Next, we're going to need to get the cheesecloth onto the board. You need to use some hot glue. Now, hot glue can be a tricky mess sometimes, but I have found that if you use a pencil, it keeps it away from your fingers and everybody safe from getting burnt. You just roll it just so delicately, and then you can either tuck that piece there that's sticking out or clip it off. I find that if you just tuck it in and start to roll, then it just goes a lot more smoothly. Now, cheesecloth tends to shred and little bits and pieces go all over the place. So if you're going to be wrapping your mummies, do it outside or on your patio or wherever you can find it. Previously, you saw me painting some fence pickets and I was making my mummy family. Well, the dad was way too tall, so I ended up cutting this off of the dad. And now I'm going to make it a little sign and maybe figure out how to put it on them. Notoriously, when you stencil onto wood, it bleeds. So since the back side of this looks a little bit crappy, I'm going to practice on the back to start with. I want to write boo on here. So we'll see how that goes.
Hey there, it's Jen with Sentimental Wood Art. Now, I'm doing videos Halloween themed, and if you haven't seen part of the series yet, check out my link below. Also, if you're interested in my woodworking, you can subscribe to this channel because I've done lots of creative woodworking items that you can see, and then see them in my Etsy shop. Okay, that didn't work. Let's try again.